gotta be a luxury plate. If not, you will not have grilled cheese. Coming in number 2, you need butter. I use garlic butter. Please, any butter will work, but do not use peanut butter. It does not count. Coming in number 3, bread. Any bread will work. Single breads are usually the best advice. Do not use those big bread. You guys know what I'm talking about. Coming in number 4, cheese. I like to use 2 cheese instead of 1, and these are American cheese. Any cheese will work as well. Alright guys, so basically we got our garlic bread of butter. It can be butter, anything will work. So you need this one. You guys can find your local store like Walmart, Albertsons, Sam's Club, Costco, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, you need a bowl. Well, for me, like I just need a bowl because I put in a refrigerator. You're supposed to, and it's super hard. So I'm still new to it. So you just have to open this thing up real quick. Open this up. It's super really nice. You use a knife. Any knife will be good. But if you're a kid, you don't trust yourself, ask your parent. So just like be careful. Do not blame me. So just be careful. So you just grab as much butter as you want. So let me grab it and I'll put it in a bowl right here, you guys. Give me 1 sec, you guys. Give me 1 second.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Alright, you guys. So you're able. So you guys see, I'll put it right here. Not as much, not too little. So medium is fine as well. So after that, after that, so this is the result. And then now we're gonna put it in the microwave for 45 seconds to melt. So we can put the garlic butter, like put it around the bread, and then after that we'll start making it from there. Let's go, you guys. Alright guys, so we're doing 45 seconds. Not too much, not too little. Consistency, try to melt as much butter as possible. Starting right now. Alright guys, so we got the butter melted. So this is, you can see the before and after. So it got melted. Look at that, it's so nice and juicy. Look at that. Alright, so I add 2 cheese just in case, because like more cheese the better. So yeah, so that's my opinion. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this butter on the other side of bread. And yeah, let's dip it. Looks so good and delicious, as you guys can see. Now I'm gonna start spreading as much possibility. I know people say, oh, you need to spread everywhere. Like I feel like it can, but I just like the way how I make it as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep on spreading for the time lapse. Alright guys, so yeah, I feel like that's enough. So I'm gonna put this cheese right here, this other one right here, then make a sandwich. And then after that, yeah. You're done. Psych! No, you're not done. Alright, so yeah, so you want to make it. And then after that, you just put it in the pan. And then after that, I'll show you guys there from there. Alright, you guys, so we're back. So now we have the bread, the cheese, the garlic butter, you already know. So you guys want to be safe. Yeah. You guys want to be safe. Just put it in the pan. Do not put the fire. That's advice to you guys. You guys are scared. Ask your parent, and then your parent going to teach you, and you're gonna be all good. Like I learned from my parent. Like I can't cook, and I can finally cook now. And I've been a spoiled person by eating garlic, fast food, restaurant, and much more. Sorry about the technical difficulties at the background. Anyway, so you just put in the pan. No fire yet. And yeah, let's get started. So if you guys don't know, you can you're supposed to push it in, and then if you don't go too high or low level, just go at least medium. So we got 1 through 6, 6 the high. So I'm gonna put level 4. So yeah, you don't see any fire. That means that's a bad sign. So turn that off and then turn back on if you see fire. You don't see fire, that is not good. Turn it off real quick. And best advice for you guys. So I'm turning on the fan. I'm not gonna show you guys the fan because you guys know the fan. So I'm making a fan because just in case for if it burn or anything. And yeah, we're just gonna let it sit there. And just to make sure if you're able to make the right grilled cheese sandwiches. Oh, can you zoom in real quick? Zoom in. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, so you guys want to make it if it's golden, like bread, very good consistent color, brownish, then that's gonna be the right timing. We'll let it sit through at least 2 minutes, and I'll see you guys from there. Alright guys, so you have to use this, whatever pan this thing, I don't know, you guys put in the comments because I don't know. spatula, whatever that thing called, but yeah. So always use it, so it's really good as well. So you want to flip it just to make sure it's golden. If it's not, then you have to wait until it's golden. That's the right way. Alright guys, you guys already see it. It's golden right here. As you guys can tell. I'm gonna put it right there. As you guys can see. That's the proper way. Now we have to do the other side as well. If you guys can value this, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, turn on post notification, be part of the future, be the first one. And you guys are interested, let me know. Like, I'm just trying to do new content, and since COVID, and I'm learning something new, learning about cooking, so that's pretty cool. So I don't want to be spoiled, so I can like learn something out of it, because I'm still new to life, by the way. But yeah, now we're gonna let it keep on processing. Getting the bread, trying to be like equally, like close to each other as much as possible, so it'll be way easier. You want to practice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you don't have to do good luck, but just in case. Alright, you just want to go around a little bit, and then after that, yeah. Alright, let's check the back side, you guys. Let's check the back side. I feel like it might be really. Oops.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Alright guys, I think it's good. I'm gonna turn it off right now, just in case. Alright guys, so we're back. So, sorry about technical difficulties. We're gonna look at it. So this is what it looked like, you guys. And yeah, we'll check the back side as well. Yeet. The back side, it's okay, but like we got the golden, the front side, that's all that matters. Leave the fan for a while, just in case your parent, because my parents say always leave the fan open for a while, get rid of the oil, that shenanigan. So yeah, this is the golden, this is the right way, and you guys have any questions, let me know. And before ending this video, you guys made the video all the way to the end, use a proper knife, the way to make it properly cut, not like this way, but like this way for a triangle, so like for kids. So, yes, treat yourself as well. Alright, and also, you guys want to see? Look at that. Look at that juicy. Look at that. Alright. You guys enjoyed this video? You guys like more? Let me know. Drop a like, turn the bell notification, subscribe, share it with your friends, and this is Everyone 92 is signing out. Peace!